We're gonna replace our broken handle, as you can see. This new one here. Got our helper, Bubby Boy, help us out today. Start by just pulling it out. Get yourself some length. Pull your knot out. You can put that in to hold it there. Stick it in some warm water. That'll just help loosen the knot fibers up. Don't touch, okay? We're gonna get a hammer and we'll beat on it a bit, and that'll help the knot loosen up. A hammer and block of wood. Get some needle nose pliers. Installed this new light in here. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Hey, where'd your boots go? Tricked out here with no boots on? How about that? Oh yeah. Yeah, that shows how fast you're going. Yeah. Yeah, let's get that throttle going. Yeah, who are you talking to? You telling about your snowmobile? You saying it's so fast? Look at it. Yeah, you think you can beat that one over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Boiling water would have been better. I didn't take the time to do that. If I can't get this in a couple minutes, I'll go boil it and that'll make it even better, but I'm just using warm water. putting a new handle on. She? New handle. Hold the new handle.
Right.
Oh yeah, here we go. We got her now. All right, so once your knot is out, obviously don't let go of that. Take your old one off. Get yourself a little more rope to work with. Open up your new one. It's quite the little hole they got on there. It fits. It's nice. Tie ourselves a new knot. We'll be good to go. No, don't do that.
No. Papa. All right.
I don't think that's going anywhere. Wondering if I want to hit it with a little flame, but I might as well since I got a lighter on me. Make sure that doesn't come undone at some point. Get a little wind protection.
Uh-oh. Boat. Wait. Oh. Wait. Oh, bubble. But.
Anyways, there you go. So install a new handle. Yeah, pull that thing over.
No. Hi. Hi. Bye.
Bye.